Who the hell do you think you are? You think I'll be scared? No, you think I'll be scared? You talk about filing a lawsuit. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not afraid. Go ahead and file a lawsuit. You can do anything you choose to.
Why are you having issues with yourself?
You're mad. You're mad.
Calm down. Take it.
Who the hell do you think you are? Of course, I have barristers. I have son. You're not even up to them.
We shall see about that.
Do not worry. You want to file a lawsuit. Don't shout.
Who the hell do you think you are? Coming from someone that spent years in the university for a mere 6 years course. You spent how many years in the university?
Can you calm down? Can you stop?
You call barristers now, you come out. Rubbish.
Like I said, Candy, go and withdraw that matter from the court. Strike it down. Go withdraw it so that we can settle this matter amicably here at home. And I'm giving it to you as an order.
Mommy, with all due respect, I cannot.
I don't know why you're begging her. Why are you begging her? Go and file the case. Even if you like, go to International Court of Justice and file the case. I do not care. Why you if you're begging her, you're making her.
Why are you shouting? Why not save your strength for Monday? Save your strength for Monday.
Go to court.
I am in court already, so calm down.
You a woman, calm down.
Mommy, your son calls me a mere woman, right?
Of course.
Fine, I'm arguing with you, so calm down. Mommy, I want him to understand one fact. That himself and myself, we are both children of Chief Leonard Ibezian, and as such, we have equal right.
A very stupid mom. I think we're done with this, please. I can't sit here and listen to this rubbish.
Very sick.
Go to court. Go to court.
Why are you backing? Calm down. Save your strength, honey. Come on. Rubbish.
Candy.
Mommy, what?
I'm not going to repeat myself. Withdraw that lawsuit. Strike it down. What is wrong with you?
Mommy, but you know me. When I say a thing, I do it. I would not withdraw that case. And mommy, please, if you do not want me to do it, talk to your son. So please return that money he's sidelined with his mistress. Or else, he will face the law.
Candy.
And mommy, you know me. I bet my life on it.
Candy.
So, mommy, please, just please. Please.
What kind of problem is this? I don't even know who to face or who to side in this matter.
Miss Bella Okeke, I want to ask you a question and I want you to be very sincere.
I'm a very sincere person. I know they lie. So officer, go ahead and ask your question. You will get the correct answer.
Do you know Miss Monique Eric?
Of course I know Miss Monique. She's my co-worker, officer.
From our findings, we discover you're not in good terms with her in the office. Is that true?
Officer, it's not true. I'm a very easygoing person. I'm not they find trouble. Officer, you can go and confirm for my colleagues. They will tell you. I'm not they find trouble. See, I'm friendly with everybody in my company, even up to the security man. If you know me, officer, you too, you like me. I'm not they find trouble. I don't know where all this is coming from.
So what was the cause of your disputes with her in the office?
Dispute? Officer, I just told you that I'm a very easygoing person. I talk about dispute again. I do not... See, officer, honestly, I am tired of these questions. I'm a very good person. I don't know where you're getting all these issues from.
Shut up! We have information about your differences with her in the office. A day before the incident, you even threatened to deal with her in the office. Is that true or false?
Officer, they are all lies. I did not threaten anybody. Me, Bella, I cannot even hurt a fly. And not talk of threatening a whole human being. Officer, it's not true now.
Now we have evidence.
You know what? Officer, I'm tired of defending myself. If you have evidence, or you persecute me. Take me to court. Check me to court. Arrest me, officer. I'm tired. I'll give you though. Officer, the way you're looking at me, I don't understand. Your hand might just hit my face. Please, just shift back a little bit. Please. I'm begging. Because my face is very, very expensive, officer.
I see.
What kind of issue am I facing? Those girls. It's alright.
Mom, you asked to see me.
Yes. Sit. I learned you have refused not to withdraw that case from the court as I instructed you.
Yes, Mom. Mom, I told you, I would not withdraw that case. Mom, you know why? Because Leonard is constituting nuisance. Spending money anyhow since after our father's death. That is not funny. I am not finding it funny, Mom. Who knows? Who knows what's left in that company? Nothing. Leonard goes around spending and lavishing money since after our father's death. From that, thank God it's Friday, to this. Mom, you remember the 4.5 million naira he spent on that same woman that connived with thieves to steal her money? Mom, it's not funny. I am not finding it funny. And I cannot take it. If he continues in this manner for the rest of the year, my father's company will be a forgotten story and I would not take it. I cannot lose it. I have a plan. Mom, what's the plan?
I want you and your brother to go manage the company. I want you two to run it together.
Well, Mom, I must say it's a very good idea. But, on the second thought, I do not think I can work with Leonard. Like, I can't even stand him, and you know it.
Not when I am coming in as a CEO.
Mom, this is so refreshing to the soul. Your statement is a huge sign of relief. Thank you, Mommy. This is the Mommy I used to know. My late father's wife. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much.
Under one condition.
Mom, what is the condition?
That you withdraw the case from the court.
Every
Janet, you need to stop crying. You have been crying from the station. Monique is not going to die in court. Alright? So stop.
I know. I know. I'm crying because of the pain and stress she's overgoing there. It's telling on her already.
God is in control, alright? And I am very sure He's going to make a way out for her. Please stop crying.
My life is shattered. I don't have anyone else. She's all I've got. She's my everything.
Janet, can you put yourself together and be strong? Moreover, I am here for you. Besides, Monique is not dead yet. You can always go and visit her anytime, any day. Alright? Please, stop crying. See the way you're sweating already.
After all my prayers.
Janet, you know we do not have the strength and power to question God. He knows everything from the beginning. Alright? Be strong, everything will be fine.
My sister doesn't deserve that condition. She doesn't.
I know. And no one deserves it either. This is the time your sister needs you the most. You need to go down on your knee and pray to God. Only Him can solve this. Stop crying, please. Come here, stop. Stop crying. Everything will be fine. God is in control. Okay? This is very beautiful.
Thank you. Just make yourself comfortable. Let me call my mom.
Mom here. I'm coming already.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you, ma.
Let's sit.
Thank you.
Okay, so... Mom, she's Kaka. The woman after my heart. Kaka.
Wow.
My mom.
Greetings again, ma.
You're welcome, my child.
Thank you.
So where are you from?
I'm from Enugu State, ma.
Okay, that's nice. She's pretty. I have eyes for beautiful women.
You can say that again.
Thank you, ma.
Only this one is a bunch of women.
Your mom is funny.
So what can I offer you to show that I'm happy you're here? At least to welcome you.
Oh, no, don't bother, ma. I'm fine.
No, can't say no to my mom.
Good.
How possible can that be, Joe? That is exactly what I told my wife. Even if she's... I don't know, the situation is becoming so suspicious, even if she's innocent.
But what makes your wife think she's innocent?
You still not getting me, Joe. Exactly what I told her. Even if she's innocent, the situation has turned around.
That woman, she's not innocent, oh. Hey, that woman is not innocent. Let the police torture her very well. She will speak the truth now.
Joe, do you know my fear?
No.
If that lady is guilty, as people are saying, then I'm finished.
I don't understand. Why do you say so?
Are you not seeing the picture of that? She's my wife's best friend. My wife's best friend, for that matter.
Your wife is a friend of a thief.
Mbano, I didn't say she's a thief.
Oh, you just say it now.
No, what I said isn't from what you are thinking. No, what happened to her was just a coincidence. That's all.
See, that woman, she's not innocent. And this is my advice for you. You should better be careful. I know what I'm saying. You should better be careful. Let me check if whether it's my turn.
Yeah, go check if it's your turn. Please, after Emeka, that's my turn.
Okay, no worries.
Please, check if Emeka has load.
No worries.
After Emeka, it's my turn. If this case turns around and my wife is affected, what will I do? What will I do? Hey, Chineke, I am trusting on you. I am trusting on you. Hey.
It's my love, Leo. I will not share him with any girl at all. It's my love forever. I can do anything to protect my lover. I will do anything to protect my lover. Leo. Lady, you're not smiling. You're on the game, pressing button to enter. Lady, you're not smiling. You're on the game, pressing button to enter. By all means, lady, you're not smiling. You're on the game, she's on the game, pressing button to enter. On your pictures of me, lady, you're not smiling. You're on the game, she's on this game, pressing button, a pressing button to enter.
Cheers to mission accomplished.
Yes, baby, cheers.
Now tell me, how did it happen? Just me now.
Okay, so he took me to his parents' house to officially introduce me to them.
Wow! So, what about the mom? Did she accept you?
Yes, she accepted me and she even said that I'm pretty.
Of course you're pretty. Okay, tell me, what about the sister? Did she recognize you?
I don't really think so. Though she was looking at me as if she has seen me somewhere before.
Okay. What if she recognizes you?
Don't you trust me?
I trust you.
I already cooked something in my head. I don't want to tell her.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I'm happy for myself.
Congratulations, my
Thank
friend.
you.
At least now you have your man all to yourself.
You can say that again.
See, if that girl goes to court on Monday the way they said she would, she might be jailed for life.
Girl, please. Why are you spoiling this moment?
Sorry.
We have a wedding to plan. Hello?
Oh, yes.
Hello? We have a wedding to plan. Yeah! Latest bride in town.
Bride to be, beautiful bride to be.
So, babe,
Yeah.
what were you saying?
She saw us.
Who?
My sister.
Whoa. Hey, sister.
Where's the girl I saw you with today in front of the mall?
Girl? What girl? Janet.
Who is Janet?
She's a sister to Monique.
Sister to my enemy. What do you have with her? Hey, young man, don't keep me quiet. What do you have with her?
She's my girlfriend.
You slapped me.
No, I kissed you. Are you foolish? A sister to my enemy is your girlfriend? How long has this been going on? Don't make me repeat myself. How long?
It was before your differences with Monique started.
Now listen and listen very good. I don't want to ever see you close to that girl again. Ever.
And why is that, if I may ask?
Why is that, if you may ask? What is wrong with you? Are you daft? Are you insane? Don't you have sense? Are you stupid? Don't you know that a sister to my enemy is equally my enemy? She can get at me through you. Like I said, I don't want to ever see you close to that girl again.
Okay, so just because you're not friends with her sister, that makes her automatically your enemy. Huh? So I should also make her my enemy now. Ridiculous. That is not even possible. It won't work.
Why didn't you lie to her? Why should I do that? Huh? Listen, babe, I'm not giving up on you, okay? No matter the circumstances. After all, we are not the cause of their issues.
I know, babe, but we have to tread with caution now.
Babe, promise me you're not going to leave me.
I should be asking you that.
But you know I can't leave you for anything in this world. Huh?
Don't know, but you know I love you.
And I love you more. I love you more.
Pray for my sister.
I've been doing that a long time ago, okay? So she will go, she will come, and all her conspirators will face judgment in Jesus' name. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine, I'll handle everything, okay? So, Alpha, you're through with the inside, eh? Okay, babe, come, let's go.
Oh my goodness. But you know, you are so gorgeous.
Thank you. And you too.
Thank you. So I want to ask you, how is your wedding preparation going?
Okay, it's going normal. Thanks to your brother. I mean, he's so loving and caring.
That's so sweet to hear. And I thank God for bringing you his way.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Why do you say that though?
Because my brother, he lives this wayward life, spends money lavishly, and then, well, since he met you, I think there's a change.
I'm glad to hear that. But I must say, my dear, it's not by my power. It's not by my power.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Oh my God, I'm so...
So today I want to thank you all for being here for me. Of course, today is the happiest day of my life and I'm grateful to have my people around me. I am very, very grateful. So the woman close to me, that's the reason I'm a happy man today. She is my joy giver.
Wow. I like this word.
Prayer answered. She is the mother of my unborn children, even though I haven't told her that.
Aww. Wow.
So today, I want to officially let her know that my life will be incomplete without you in my life. Will you marry me?
Say yes.
We just say yes, say yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hold it.
Hold what? Hold what? What is going on, officer? What is this?
We are sorry for the embarrassment, but your wife to be here is under arrest.
Under arrest for what? What sort of joke is this, officer? What is this?
Under arrest?
What is going on here?
When she gets to the station, she will know.
What is going on here? Go call the commissioner. Call the commissioner fast.
Yes, sure.
My love, my finger is still standing.
Come on. Everything will be fine. Trust me.
Officer, you're going to pay for this.
Yay!
This is a moment to cherish so much.
Yay!
Everybody calm down. Everything will be fine. My enemies are at work. Don't worry. My enemies. No, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Trust me. Calm down. Calm down. Honey, come.
What's going on? You know what? Can you put the ring? Just put the ring. Let's get it done with first.
No, I can't put the ring. You know,
No. We can put the ring and do the celebration later.
No, we need them to clap.
You can just put the ring. We'll do the celebration later.
Everywhere is tense. There's a bad luck to put a ring when everywhere is tense.
I will clap for myself. They don't clap for me. Just put the ring. Well, if people don't clap for me, I can clap for myself.
No, don't worry. Everything will be fine. He will still put the ring. It's your ring.
He's still up.
The commissioner said you can go with them and later we'll know what's going on. But for now, you need to go with them. Oh, you're not going alone. I'm going with you. Yeah.
Okay. Can you put the ring?
I can't do it. It's a bad luck to put a ring when everyone is tense. Okay? Let's go. Let's go to the station first.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Don't worry, it's fine. Let's go. Guys, I'm really sorry for this, okay? Just stay put, okay? We'll continue with the celebration much later. Alright?
Okay, boss.
You have to calm down, please.
Just take it easy, okay?
Yeah, sure. Let me know what's going on.
Just take it easy, okay?
Yeah, no, it's fine. Don't worry.
Sorry. Let's take care of this, okay?
Chelsea, what are you doing here?
Oga, do you know her?
Yes? She's my worker.
And the guy?
I don't know him.
They both have something to say.
Yes. I'm a member of the gang that attacked and collected the money is on the way to the bank.
The money will be leaving the office as early as 9 a.m. So you and your men are expected to be there before then. Now, this is the deal. You see this lady? nothing must happen to her, not even a dent on her body. But kill every other living soul in that vehicle. Am I understood? Like I said, nothing should happen to this lady, but kill every other living souls in that vehicle.
Consider it done. Killing is our profession.
I trust you.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
What?
I'm so sorry.
Chelsea!
It wasn't my intention to kill anybody or to steal anything.
Jesus Christ.
I am so sorry. It was actually your wife. I was actually sent by your wife, Kaka.
What?
Kaka. Now that you have been employed, we need all the strategies to bring that girl down. We need to pull her down and take her out of that company.
Don't worry. By next week, you will see results.
I trust you. I trust you, my girl. How much is involved?
240 million naira.
That's a huge amount.
Yeah.
Get your men ready. Tell them it's 50-50. Okay? But I don't want anything to happen to that girl. Not even a dent on her body. But every other living thing in that car must die. With that, she will be implicated.
Okay. Consider it done.
Allow me to kill this devil!
Calm down, calm down. Don't take laws into your hands. Calm down.
Jesus Christ! Kaka.
Calm down.
You devil! No, Kaka, you went too far.
I'm so sorry, my love. I acted out of jealousy. I couldn't stand sharing you with another woman.
That jealousy will kill you. Okay? That jealousy will kill you. So you plan. You. It's alright. Please. Oh my God! You will rot in jail. You see, you will rot in jail. How could you? You will rot in jail. How could you? Jesus. Where is Monique?
Still in the cell.
Both of you.
I'm sorry!
You will die. You will die. You will die. Please. Kaka.
Were you able to get them on phone?
Yes, I just spoke to the MD.
What did he say?
He said the armed robbers that took the money away have been caught.
What? Oh, thank God.
That's a good news.
Yay!
Yes.
I'm sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Like I said before, I acted out of jealousy. I love him so much and I was afraid that I could lose him to you.
Will you shut up? My girl.
You just appeared from nowhere and chose to make my life a living hell. You know, Kaka, the question is, what did I ever do to you? What did I do to you?
It's okay.
Don't you dare. Don't even think of it. What do you think you're trying to do? What do you want to do? Officer, take me out of here. Please go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bastard!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
You, please.
I'm sorry.
Mom, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit down. I am thinking we should go and apologize to that girl for everything we did to her, especially you.
I should go and apologize to her.
No, I mean all of us, not just you, all of us.
Apologize to her after everything we did to her?
Is it not better for us to apologize?
But sincerely, who are you blaming now?
Because I'm blaming both of you. Because you guys pushed me into doing what I never wanted to do. After humiliating her, how do I face her to apologize to her? Or have you forgotten?
Leonard, get the police to arrest that girl immediately. Like now.
Why?
What's why? Because she knows everything about the money.
She knows absolutely nothing. It was just a mere coincidence. What? Money can't do such a thing.
Says who? Say what? Like, I do not understand. Mommy, did you hear that?
Who? In the next 1 hour, you do not arrest that girl. You lose your position in that company. Trust me. Do not say I did not warn you. I should have done that myself, but I just want to respect you. I would have called the IG myself. So call the police to arrest her immediately. Do not say I did not warn you.
It was just a mere coincidence.
If that money is not provided, I'll see you in court.
Oh, please, don't even get me involved. If you want to go and apologize, you can do it yourself and don't involve me. When I was telling you guys that this could be a mere coincidence, but you refused. You tagged her wrongly. Now you're telling me to go and face her and tell her sorry.
We just wanted to know the truth from her.
You just wanted to know the truth from her. Well, I can't. If you're looking for who to do the apology, you can go with her and do it. Don't even involve me. After all the embarrassment, after all the suffering, after everything, I'll go and face her to tell her sorry. How do I even start? Now it's down on us.
You're not going there to apologize to her. You're not going there to make trouble with her.
If not for God, I wouldn't have been here by now. This girl obviously meant death for me.
Exactly. Monique, seeing what you went through in there, I will never trust anyone on earth.
I'm dumbfounded. That girl is a cook. Honestly, that girl is a wolf in sheep's clothing.
And say that again.
Can you imagine? To think that
she showed so much concern. And she even cried more than the bereaved. God!
And everyone was accusing Bella.
You know, when the file got missing, this girl went straight to Leonard and told him that we should change all the CCTVs in that company, since we can't repair the old ones.
Are you serious?
There was no way, no way you can ever suspect this girl.
I give it to her. She played her game smoothly. Like, no traces at all.
How did it happen? How did the whole thing happen? The arrest, the whole thing?
They said the guy was caught in the bank.
Okay. That means they used the numbers.
Of course, he went to deposit money. He went to deposit the money.
Sister Maxwell is here to see you.
Did he come alone?
Yes.
Tell him I don't want to see him.
Why? Why don't you want to see him?
Obviously, Leonard sent him.
I'll show you about that.
Because he was here earlier and I told him I don't want to see him.
No. Monique, I disagree with you on this. Maybe he's here for a different reason. Who knows?
Hold on a sec. Monique, you told our MD that you don't want to see him?
Come on, girl, I can't even look at him.
Why?
It hurts me to even look at that man. It breaks my heart to even see him. You girls should understand what I'm talking about.
Janet, please let Maxwell in. Yeah.
Sister,
go. You really need to calm down and put yourself together.
Please, Monique, I'm so sorry. You see, I know how you feel. And I don't need any soothsayer to tell me that you're heartbroken. But you see, in this life, we human beings are created to be tempted. But the most important thing is to be able to withstand any temptation and conquer. Here you are. You've been tempted and you've conquered. You should be giving glory to the Almighty God rather than the other way around, please.
Maxwell, truth be told, your friend went too far. His attitude towards Monique shows he does not trust her. Not because she works for him, but because they both had something to do together.
Exactly. Any relationship without trust leads to nowhere. It will only just die off, like this.
Well, you see, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. My friend is human, and sometimes there are some things that will happen to a man that such man shouldn't be blamed much. He doesn't own that company alone. There were a lot of pressure on him regarding that decision, please. He doesn't own
Well, your friend Leonard has proven to me that he doesn't love me. He doesn't even trust me. Thank God it happened this way. At least I know where I belong now.
Oh no, please, Monique, don't see things that way.
Really? You're saying this because I'm not dead as Kaka planned. That's why you're saying it. Because if I don't die, if you just take these lines for my grave, I'll be no biam.
Please, Monique. You see, sometimes in life, God allowed some things to happen for a reason best known to Him. Because we are not God.
Wow.
Please. You see, we humans, we fail to understand the reason why God allowed some things to happen. Find a place in your heart to forgive him.
I will not do it. Never. You go tell him that I will not see him and I will never see him.
Why are you staring at me that way?
You're beautiful.
Thank you. You've not told me this before.
There's always the first time.
Tell me, how do you mean?
I love you.
Is that why you called me here?
Yes.
Is this why you called me here?
Yes. Becky. Accept to be the mother of my unborn children. I know you love me. Please, accept to be the mother of my unborn children.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh, this is beautiful.
Leonard! 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 Leonard!
Leonard, open the door now.
Leonard!
Leonard, open the door.
Okay, just come and see me first, oh?
Leo!
Leo! Hey! Call Maxwell for me. Call him immediately. Now.
Okay, Mommy. Hello? Maxwell? Hi, my mom wants to speak with you. Hold on.
Hello, Maxwell? Yes. When was the last time you spoke to Leo? Are you serious? Everything is the matter. He locked himself inside his room for the past 3 days. He has refused to come out of his room. Please, I want you to, okay. Please, call me back once you speak with him, okay? Thank you so much. That's the savior we have.
Janet, please, hear me out. Please, I beg you. Please.
What are you doing here? I thought I told you it's over between us.
Janet, please, don't talk like that. Okay, just hear me out. I beg you.
Okay, I'm listening.
Janet, I want you to understand that whatever it is going on between our sisters should not affect us. Come on, what we have going on is real. And I know you know it too. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Do not let that differences come in between us. Let's get married and make a happy home.
Philip, I can't do what you're asking me to. I can't. You have to look for someone else. You just have to look for someone else.
No, Janet, please don't walk away, please. Listen, let's just find a way to work things out. I beg you, please.
You know if my sister sees you here, it won't be funny. Just look for someone else.
Janet, please.
Babe, in front of my mom, my sister, and my good friend, I want to apologize to you once again. We're really sorry.
Babe, come. You're embarrassing me. Stand. Honey, please, stand up, okay? Look, I forgive you. Everybody listen. From the depth of my heart, I forgive you all. Does that include me? Mommy, I forgive you long time ago. Alright? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, my darling. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Come here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, friend.
Wow.
Yes.
Please marry me. Come into my life and make my world colorful.
Please. Yes. I will marry you. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Guys, this is so beautiful. Guys, congratulations, buddy. This is so fun.
This so
Wow, so happy. Welcome to our family. We want you here. Come give me a big hug. You're not a man. A better man. Oh, okay, was a boy before, right? Yeah. A boy then.
Who is to blame? Onyeka gatuta. But I believe it's never too late to make it right. My life is in the hands of God. innocent, I'm innocent.